Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and I'm usually the last to know a lot of stuff. One of the things I just learned was that DJI added a flight plan to their DJI Go 4 app. It's actually the second flight plan because the first one wasn't as easy to use. This one is pretty nice, and so you can see here I have created a flight plan, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to see how it works. And I always just create two or three waypoints out in front of my house so I can watch it and make sure it's going to work. And so I just clicked on waypoints over there, and I've got the plan all made, and there it is sitting there in front of me. And by the way, this is just recorded off of my tablet. And so I click on the go button over there, and I get this screen. I thought, okay, well, this checks everything. Going to be a 32-second flight. And by the way, I've speeded this up. So anyway, but I cannot figure out, see, so I hit cancel and it goes back, and then I hit go again, and nothing happens. The black screen comes up. And so I try all kinds of things. When I was there, I'm holding the button down for a long time, and that still brings up the screen. And so I accidentally put a new waypoint in, so I got to get rid of that. And I'm hitting the wrong things. Finally, I figure out how to get rid of that waypoint. And so then I go back in and I come back out, and I'm thinking, how do you start this thing? Every time I hit go, that black screen comes up, and I don't want the black screen. I want to run my flight plan. And so I'm just sitting there just very frustrated because I can't get it to work. So let's see what happens next here. All right, so I'm probably getting pretty frustrated about now because everything I try fails. And so pretty soon, oh, by the way, then I hit the little question mark, and that takes me to this little tutorial, which I've already watched tutorials on YouTube, and I've got them all I know how to do what they were showing me there. And so I go back to the main screen, and I hit go, and I still get the black screen. So finally, I decide, okay, I got to go figure this out. I got to go watch some more YouTube videos. So I come in for a little landing there and shut it down, go in the house, watch some videos, and come back out. All right, so now I think I got it figured out. I know what I have to do in order to make it work. So I'm going to take off, and and so now I'm getting everything focused, and by the way, this is speeded up too. And then I get up there, and I don't have any waypoints. It's like I've lost my flight plan. And of course, I keep trying everything, same thing everybody else would do. I hit the go button, nothing works. There's just absolutely no matter what I click on, no matter what I do, I don't have a flight plan anymore. And so now I'm getting real frustrated. And so I say, okay, I'm going to just land. I'm going to turn everything off and start everything up again and see if that brings it back. So I go in, I get rid of the app, and start over again. So here we go. All right. Getting everything set up. Focusing, recording. Click on the agree button whether you like it or not. And where's my flight plan? Even when I reboot the app, there is no flight plan. What am I going to do? Now, I watched videos on enough videos that I know a little bit of what to do, but where's my I keep trying to make it work, and then I remember to hit that little button up there, and there we go. So anyway, the little 3-dot button, that takes you to where you can open up the app and get going with it. So there's my flight plan, and I'm going to take off and go up to 17 feet, or no, what is it? I can't remember. Anyway, 13 feet. Now I'm going to hit the go button. I think. Maybe I won't. I think that's what I'm going to do here. There. So I brought up the flight plan, and now we're going to go. Now watch. Did you see that? Did you see that? There's a little start button down there. Let's look at that one more time. All right, there we go. Now, I need all the help I can get. But anyway, now I've done the flight plan. I know how to do it, and and I hope this is helpful. It's going through the flight plan. You can see down in the lower right-hand corner how it's swiveling around and looking at the countryside, and and somewhere along the line I did have a fourth waypoint. I lost that, but anyway, so it was an interesting afternoon trying to figure out how to use the flight plan that is apparently a pretty good one. So the flight plan is finished, and I'm going to come in for a landing, and so I guess that's about it for today. I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.